guys, Miranda here with Off-Leash Canine here in Hampton Roads, and today I've got Otis the Beagle. He comes to us for obviously a little bit of leash pulling. He's got a little bit of aggression. He's bitten a couple of vet techs, a couple vets. He bit me when I was trying to put him up in the car. But he's a pretty friendly dog. It's just when you're trying to make him do something he doesn't want to do, he shows you. But I'm going to show you guys where he's at with his commands right now. Otis, come! Come! Otis, come! Come! Come here, Otis! Otis, come! Come! Otis, come! Come! Good boy, sit! Otis, sit! Sit! Otis, sit! Come here, Otis, come! Come! Otis, come! Come here, buddy, come! Come, sit! Good boy! Good job, down! Otis, come! 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 So he's biting the leash a little bit. Heel! 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 So he doesn't know heel, he knows sit. I'm not sure about down. But he's definitely very stubborn, so I'm going to work on all of that and check back with me in 2 weeks, and he's going to be amazing. Thanks. Otis.
I'm Ryan West and this is Otis. Just got done with our off-leash canine training here in Yorktown, Virginia. Really excited to get Otis back. He was a little persnickety, a little hard-headed before he came to the school, but now he's learning to heel. He's sitting, he's staying. Just all around good dog. I'm really looking forward to working with him here in the future and working again with Off-Leash Canine.
Josh Wilson with Off-Leash Canine Training, and I hope you enjoyed another amazing dog put out by my team. Across the country, we don't care about the breed, the size, the age, or the behavioral issue. We're going to make them awesome for you. If you're interested in seeing more videos like the one you just saw, click the image here on the screen. Also, I'd encourage you to check us out on Instagram and Facebook. And before you leave our channel, make sure you subscribe. So every time a new video comes up of another outstanding dog doing some crazy, amazing things, you're going to get notified in your email address. And for more information on other locations we have around the country, check us out at joshwilson.dog. Appreciate you so much for watching our channel. See you soon.